Welcome to the Navia Investment Reminder video. My name is Claudio, and I'll show you how easy it is to use the Investment Reminder app. Start by navigating to www.navialabs.com. And from the menu, select Investment Reminder. Let me zoom in a little. Select the link at the bottom to create an account. Once you read and accept the privacy policy and terms of use, select the checkbox and then select Sign up with Google. Next, you'll need to authenticate with your Google account. Your account is now created and you will be sent a welcome email. Adding an investment is really easy. Simply select the Add Investment button. Next, you will need to enter the investment amount, interest rate, investment start date, and the investment maturity date. You can specify the financial institution and a description, but these fields are optional. Select Create when you are done to save the investment. Next, we are going to add a reminder to receive an email notification when the investment reaches maturity. Start by selecting the reminder icon. This will expand the reminder section. Select the Add Reminder button. By default, the reminder date is set to the investment maturity date. Adjust the date and time to your preference. And select Create to save the reminder. I have added a few more investment and reminder entries to help demonstrate some features later in the video. To modify a reminder, go to the Reminder menu and select Edit Reminder. Make the necessary changes and select Update when done. To delete a reminder, select Delete Reminder and select Delete to confirm. Let me close the reminder section. To modify an investment, go to the Investment menu and select Edit Investment. Make the necessary changes and select Update when done. To delete an investment, select Delete Investment and select Delete to confirm. You will notice a summary bar at the bottom of the investment list. Total invested is the total amount of all investments before any interest. Earned interest is the interest that has been earned from the start of each investment through today. End value today is the total amount of all investments, including all interest earned through today. To see these values for each individual line, simply hover your mouse over the Value Today column. To sort investments, simply click the column header. Once you have multiple reminders, you can view a complete list. From the Investment menu, select Show All Reminders. You can sort various columns by clicking the header. To open a reminder, simply select Open Reminder and your selection will be highlighted. Let me close the reminder section. To view information about your account, select the User button at the top and select User Profile. The last few values pertain to the application. Maximum investment records is the total number of investments that can be added to the application. Maximum reminder records per investment is the total number of reminders that can be created for each investment. Token expiry in minutes is the amount of minutes your session is valid for until you need to log in again. To end your session, select the User button at the top and select Logout. Confirm when prompted to log out. To log in again, simply click Sign in with Google and proceed to select your Gmail account. You may be prompted to enter your credentials. Once a reminder date is reached, you will be sent a reminder email containing the details of the investment. And that concludes our video. Thank you for watching.